to Tanya Zeka TV. Must like and subscribe. I'm Tanya Zeka's child, and it's me and my brother here called Mata. The big brother just went out here. Now my mom is making the good, cool popcorn. Can you bring the popcorn, please? Popcorn.
The bucket.
I'm just gonna cut it like that. And this is amazing popcorn. Let's taste, please. It's very tasty. Can you taste, Mata?
Very, very tasty.
Yeah, you're the child. Very tasty. And there's Tanya Zeka there. Okay, hello, Tanya.
Hello guys, I make a popcorn for my kids. So as Neftali, Mata, and Mata Bode. I'm busy cooking my days.
Mom's cooking cooking beans, yeah. It's very tasty, but the big brother is doing everything like is in deep in that stuff. So let's test the last time. Very tasty.
I love you guys.
Now you can make vinegar and salt. You can make ice and sugar. Anything you want, comment Tanya Zeka. You hear me? Good show, guys.
Bye bye.